Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. Today we have this Porsche Cayman 2015 model and we are going to install a Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this car. From factory this car doesn't have these features, so we will modify this PCM unit, Porsche car management system, and we will install this card in the main head unit and modify the settings so the user will get CarPlay, Android Auto, and you can play the videos, and there are some other functions like mirroring, USB, video, music in the car. Right now the car has nothing, so it's only basic head unit without CarPlay or Android Auto functions. So I will show you the car, and this is the car we have. As you can see, this is the car we have. It's a two-door car and it's from 2015 model. It's a mid-engine car, like its engine on the back side. So it's a beautiful car. As you can see, it has the carbon fiber package and with the Alcantara black interior. Here you can see we have removed the Porsche management system. It's a PCM 3.1, as you can see, and we are going to open this system and we will modify its cards and we will activate CarPlay in this car. So follow us. Here you can see we have installed the Apple CarPlay system. So here is the, right now I have connected an Android mobile phone with this module or with the system. If you can see, it is both compatible with this original PCM touch. Here you can see, and the iDrive as well. This is the moving button, or you can say direction button or iDrive. So here is the Android Auto. If we go to Android Auto, I have a, here you can see I have connected my phone and it's completely compatible. All your mobile applications are available here. As you can see, my Google Maps is showing all the applications that I have in my phone. If you will tap on the exit button, you will go back. Here you can see it is like all my apps. WhatsApp, and you can customize this as well. So all my apps are coming here. If you go back to the exit button, so it will go back to the CarPlay menu. Here is the CarPlay first, then I don't have an iPhone right now, so on the other hand it's an Android phone, then mirroring, then Bluetooth. This is the video. I have installed a USB cable in the car. Here you can see, so you can set a USB and you can watch videos while driving, and you can listen music from USB as well. Here is the music for USB. Right now I don't have USB inserted, so it is not working, but you can use this as well. So if you go to front view is the additional camera that we have not installed in this CarPlay module. It's an optional. Then we have settings. From the settings you can adjust little sound settings, display settings, languages, system. In languages we have different languages, so here you can see the available languages. So here we will choose English. Then on the home menu, so here you can see it's all the functions, and Android Auto is fully functional. You can use Spotify, you can use navigation, and pretty much everything that you have in your mobile phone. You can watch YouTube as well, but you need to install an application for bypass YouTube while driving. Then you can see it's totally compatible with sound, and everything like in this car is working. If you will press this button for 3 seconds, it will go back to the original PCM unit. So here is your navigation. If you will confirm, like here is your maps, and like this small display that is the Porsche specialty in the meters. As you can see, it is available as well. So we have not removed any original function from this car. Every original function is available here. So if you have any questions, or if you have any Porsche, so you can contact us on our website, on our email addresses. I will provide all the links in the description. We can activate the Porsche CarPlay as well in newer models, like from the PCM 5 we have coding and everything, so that we need to activate a CarPlay. We can activate OEM CarPlay in the cars, newer cars. So this one is a little bit old 2015 model car, so we have installed little bit hardware, and we have installed a card in the PCM unit. And now you can see, if you will press here for 3 seconds, it goes again to the Android unit. So here is the today, as you can see, so everything is working. And even if you have a back camera, it will work with the OEM back camera as well. If you want an aftermarket back camera, we can add an additional back camera or front camera with your car. So that's it for today. You can contact us. We provide all the links in the description. Thank you.